Hello everyone, come back again with me on Koniago channel. In this time, I will show you how to make exhaust manifold like this. Without wasting time, let's start it. First step, we will make exhaust bracket. Go to right plane, active circle, click this point to this point, and this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make this circle diameter is 25 mm. And the circle diameter is 45 mm. Active center line, click this point to this point. Active midpoint line, click this point to this point. Sorry, not like that. Do it again. Click this point to this point. Active smart dimension, click the center line and this line, make 45 degree, and make this line length is 65 mm. Active circle, click this point to this point, and this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 15 mm. Click the circle and the circle, make equal. Active line, make all circle connected. After that, make sure all line and circle tangent. Active trim, cut this line. Change this line to be center line. Active trim again, cut this line. After that, active extrude boss. Make extrude parameter is 5 mm. Okay. Active hole wizard. Choose this type. Choose thread size is M8. Go to position. Click this face. Click this point and this point for whole thread. Okay. See, whole thread is make it. Check domestic thread to show the domestic thread. After that, active linear pattern. Choose from plane for direction. Make distance is 60 mm and the copy part is 4 pieces. Check bodies. Click this bracket. Okay. Now you have 4 bracket exhaust. Go to right plane, Active center line, click this point to this point, this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make the center line length is 350 mm. OK. Active circle, click this point to this point. Active smart dimension, my circle diameter is 27 mm. Active extrude boss. My extrude parameter is 20 mm. OK. Active 3D sketch. Active line. Click this point to this point. Click this point to this point. And this point to this point. Active smart dimension, make this line length is 100 mm. And this line length is 80 mm. Active fillet, make fillet parameter is 60 mm. Click this point. OK. And make fillet parameter is 50 mm. And click this point. OK. Exit sketch. Do it as same thing for next bracket. This point color is blue. Click this point and this face. Make acceleration is on plan. OK. After done, go to this face. Active circle. Click this point to this point. Make the circle diameter is 27 mm. Exit sketch. Active sweat boss. Click this circle and this line. OK. Do it as same thing with next bracket. And now we will mirror this pipe for next bracket. Click this edge and this edge. Go to evaluate. Click measure. The distance is 180 mm. Active plane and make form plane for reference. Make distance is 90 mm. Check flip offset. OK. Active mirror. Click this plane for mirror face. Click this web and this web. OK. See, the part mirror it. Hide this plane. Now we will combine the bracket and the pipe. Command combine. Operation type is add. Click this part and this part. OK. Now all component is connected. Active shell. Make shell parameter is 1 mm. Click all this face. OK. See, exhaust manifold is ready. Active section view to see inside the exhaust manifold. See? Active fillet to refine your design. Make fillet parameter is 1 mm. Click all edge. Active fillet again. Make fillet parameter is 2 mm and click all this space. Okay. Maybe fillet parameter is 0.5 mm. Okay. Pretty good to see that before. Let's choose the material. Go to edit material. Choose alloy steel, click apply. And let's change the appearance. Go to appearance. Choose this. Maybe not this. Go to aluminum. Choose this. Okay. See, exhaust manifold is ready. I think it's the end of tutorial. I hope you like it and can help you to design in Solidworks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.